folks, I have a new baritone, and this is one I made for myself. I sold my own baritone at a festival this spring, and it took me a long time to get another one back in my hands. And will I keep it forever? No. Might I sell it in England this summer when we're on tour? Possibly, but for now it's my uke. And it was a fun project to get some materials out there that I haven't seen in a while. So specifically, this is a quarter sawn white oak back and sides. And I love oak for musical instruments. They used to make guitars out of it in the end of the 19th century in America, and I think we ought to keep using it. And look how beautiful it is. So white oak back and sides, and then a cedar top. The cedar top is one I milled myself from a stump from Parkdale, Oregon. Big wide grain cedar, but I love how it sounds. And I have a big oversized rope rosette because I felt like it. Walnut for everything else, and a little bean sprout leaf right there, and African mahogany neck. And since it's my instrument, that means I have to get my rattlesnake in it, my rattle. So in old-timey American fiddle music, a lot of times folks put a rattle in their fiddle for mojo or for good luck, and so my uke always has a rattle in it. So there, now that it's in there, it's really my uke. And I love it. So this is number 901, and if you like that cedar and oak combo, I'll make you one too. Cheers.